For this project, we will be using the program Stellarium for observing the retrograde motion of the planet Mars. Now, the idea of retrograde motion was originally contemplated back in ancient Greece, as ancient Greek astronomers observed the orbit of the planet around what they originally believed to be the planet Earth, but actually the Sun. As they passed the zodiac constellations, they began to notice this. Now, as we move forward in time, you notice that the planet Mars is going about its natural movement in our night sky from east to west. But as it approaches the edge of the constellation Pisces, it actually turns around from west to east. The reason behind this is because the planet Earth that we live on has recently passed the planet Mars in our orbit around the Sun, and that is what causes retrograde motion. From our point of view, as we pass the planet Mars, it actually slows down and goes past, because the closer you are to the Sun, the faster you go about your rotation. And since the Earth is closer to the Sun than Mars, that is what causes this motion to take place. Even though the planet Mars does not actually move from west to east, it is simply because the planet Earth is moving faster in its orbit around the Sun than the planet Mars. And that is retrograde motion. Have a good day, folks.